I think the match is not bad and the coverage is not bad. I don't like very full coverage anyways. So this is all right. Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I just off everything. I'm just going to, but before I do that, I'm just going to make sure there's no creasing. So gonna set the under eyes with the Maybelline mattifying powder. And creams brush for concealer, so I'm just gonna use this one. Just it works. And yeah, I normally do contouring before I do concealer, but it actually doesn't matter whatever way. Contour and bronze, I'm gonna use the pink honey BFF frosting, face frosting to contour and bronze, and I'm gonna use the peaches and cream PC21 to contour and just dab a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. So, and then I'm just going to, how the angle of this brush helps you to just, yeah, and then a little bit here, and then whatever's left. It melts like butter, and I'm just dabbing. I'm not doing, I'm gonna add a bit more on my forehead to bring more color. Just bring a bit more color, a bit more for my forehead. This is the fine concealer, and I'm just gonna use a little bit to brighten up under my eyes. And let me show you the packaging of this concealer. Oh my god, it is too good. If I can get to open it. Yes. Oh my god. And again, I don't know about the shade, but this is what I got. Look at the packaging. How cute is this? This is so cute. I got the shade, I can't see, warm, no, shade 22S, I think. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this. Just dab it like that. Oh my god. This is like, I don't know what to say about this. It just blends in, like, even the powder, it just, god, and it's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful color. Like, no, this, yes, I'm gonna keep using it. I love it, love it, love it. A little bit on the temples. That's whatever's left. You just dust it on the eyelid like that. Bit color, I like it. Now I'm just gonna blend my concealer. This is gonna give me that chiseled cheekbones. Guys, I need to put my piercing in. Look at that, it's showing. I'm so lazy.